and go.
Hey guys, it's your boy Andy back with another episode, and today I'm going to review the JBL Flip 4, and this is a 2017 model, and I think they still have it. If you want to buy, you can buy it online. They still have this model, I think. So the JBL Flip 4, what JBL gave us? This is a kind of overpriced speaker comparing with other speakers in Indian market. Are you really getting a quality product after spending this much of money? The answer is hell yes. So I have been using this speaker for 1 year and 3-4 months, I think. So the major change that I followed is my speaker become a little bit dirty, and I think there is no big changes. Here are two stereo speakers. Here is one and here is another one. Front facing speakers, and these things are kind of a woofer kind of thing. This is really satisfying to do this, but never do this because if you do it very hard, so you're gonna actually destroy your speakers. Otherwise, it's a really nice speaker, guys. There is a play pause button. You can actually receive your calls. You can receive the call and you can talk like this. Oh, hello, hello, hello. Like a land phone, you know. But make sure you reduce your volume as well. Otherwise, everybody will hear what you're talking about. The Bluetooth button here. Here is the turn on, turn off key. There's your battery bar. This thing doesn't have a fast charger. However, it charges really fast. I'm surprised. So if you have a fast charger, you can charge your speaker really fast. This is a water resistant speaker and the build quality is really nice. This surface is made with kinda cottonish thing. If you just drop your speaker like this, it gives a good protection to your speaker. And I have dropped my speaker many times. Fortunately, nothing really happened. So it's a kind of good and durable speaker, you would say. You can throw it in the swimming pool. However, it doesn't float. So be aware of that. Splash of water doesn't really affect the speaker at all. And this is the JBL Connect button. So if you have another Flip 4 and if you press this, both speakers will connect together. One speaker will be your left stereo speaker and one speaker will be your right stereo speaker. So you can use both speakers as stereo speakers. So you can play sound together. So it's a good thing, guys. No matter how many speakers do you have, if it's in an even number, you will get a good stereo sound. So that's a really good thing, guys. And there is the thing of your charger. So you can see, guys, here is the charging. So unfortunately you are not getting type C charger. So this is a previous generation one. Some people might think, can I output the sound to other devices? So the answer is no. You can output your sound to this speaker, not other speakers. And make sure you close it properly after you use, because this is the only one thing from where water can go inside. If you buy this speaker, you will get this kind of box. There is the thing what I just mentioned earlier. You can connect multiple devices and play music together at the same time. It says 12 hours of playtime, but unfortunately, if you play music on the highest volume, you will get around 6.5. All right. Inside the box, there was my speaker, and here was a data cable. Here was the data cable. So not data cable, like the charging cable. But unfortunately, JBL don't give a good quality charging cable. I mean, mine one just broke after 4 months, I think. The charging speed just came down to really slow speed. I just don't use my charging cable anymore. I just threw it away. And I have another charging cable. So with the fast charging cable, I charge my speaker. But the speaker is really nice, guys. You will get decent amount of sound, and it's a really durable speaker, you would say. It's a really good speaker, guys. I mean, the build quality, there is no issues. The durability and the build quality, water resistanceness, there is no issues with that. JBL has done their best to make it a really good quality product. And the sound is really nice. I mean, you won't notice bad quality comparing with other speakers, other company speakers. So what else you are getting? Good quality sound, good build quality, durability, long playback time, and water resistant. So these kind of 5 things that I think you should expect from this JBL Flip 4, and I have been using this for 1 year, and since then I faced only one issue, that is my charging cable was damaged after 3-4 months. Other than that, there is no issues with this JBL. So now you should decide, guys, is it really worth buying? Because it cost around this much of money. So do you think it's really a good deal to buy this speaker, or do you agree with me that this speaker is kind of overpriced? So what do you think? Let me know in the comment section, and you can follow my Instagram as well. And if you have any questions about anything that I have reviewed on my channel, so don't forget to ask me, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe as well. So see you guys soon in my next video. Keep rocking.
I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town.